To show you the different methods for creating custom size canvases while you're recording. Both of these options are going to be available through the Dubb desktop app on PC or Mac. So now when I'm recording my screen, this is where you're going to find these different options. The first custom size option is here on the recording toolbar. So I can select either landscape or portrait or square or custom. And if I select custom, it's going to allow me to create a custom size frame for my recording. So let's pretend in this video, I want to capture this section. So now with this custom frame selected, I'm going to press record. And now it's going to capture just this frame that I have selected on the screen. So let's go ahead and press the check mark for that. And then now you can see it's captured just that specific part of my video. And now let's go ahead and click edit. And now once we're here in the editor, there's actually a second portion that I can customize, which is here in the video player itself. So you can see this black piece back here, that's the actual frame. And I can customize the video so I can zoom in on a portion or I can click and drag. Let's say if I wanted to just zoom in on the numbers portion of this video that I made. So I would increase the zoom and then I would drag it to where it's just the numbers within the portion of this frame. So now I've effectively selected a custom size within a custom size video. So this is how you can get very granular and specific on the parts of the video you'd want to customize or record.